Today's exercise of the day is bunny hops. Ymarfer y diwrnod heddiw ydy bunny hops. Gogwyddo o'ch cliniau a cymwch eich dwylo ar fainc. Plygu'r pengliniau dipyn bach a neidiwch dros y fainc o ochr i ochr. So you need to tilt from your hips, lower your hands onto your bench, slight bend in the knee and hop over the bench from side to side. Land with soft knees. Os nad oes gennych chi fainc, gallwch chi gwneud yr ymarfer hwn ar y llawr. If you don't have a bench, you can do this exercise on the floor.